Hello again, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. Before we get into today's video, I would like to thank the person that sent this. There was no note, there was no return address. I have no idea who sent it. Very creative. I got a good chuckle out of it. Thank you very much for just taking the time to do something like that. I get thank you cards sent and some hats. A lot of people know I collect hats, and I really appreciate the thought and just the time that's put behind it. I don't take that stuff for granted. Let's get into today's video. Today we're going to take a look at one of the most comprehensive, in-depth, complete headlight restoration kit and protection that follows that I've seen lately. So let's get into it. It is from the Cerakote company. It is the ceramic headlight restoration kit. Let's get right into it. This is the complete Cerakote ceramic headlight restoration kit in this foil bag here. 3 easy steps, no tools required, 100% UV proof, clarifies, restores, and protects. And this package here is again $24.99. Let's take a look at the entire contents from the kit. You will get 8 clarifying wipes, 4 wipes per headlight. The wipes remove the oxidation, break down, and remove it. 1 surface prep pad, 4 surface prep discs, 2,000 grit and 4,000 grit, 2 ceramic clear coating wipes, and 4 powder-free nitrile gloves. Before you even tear open the kit, guys, you want to wash and dry the car thoroughly. You want to wash the headlights with any type of car soap. Rinse it well. You want to pop the hood if the headlights are attached to the car. You want to do some masking tape around the headlights to protect, because you will be doing some sanding. You want to protect the bezel or any trim around the headlight. By the way, this little palm prep pad here probably looks a little bit familiar. I have an orange one I kept from the 3M headlight restoration kit. I use that for 3-inch polishing discs. I also use it to do wet sanding with the 3-inch Trizac discs. It comes in handy, so keep the one from this kit. You could use it for the same purposes. These are the 8 clarifying wipes. You have 4 per headlight. This removes the oxidation. And using the kit, even on the heaviest oxidation, I only had to use 2 wipes. So they really cover their bases, making sure you have enough material to get the job done. And then you also have the 2 ceramic clear coat wipes. You really shouldn't have any questions if you thoroughly read through the comprehensive instruction booklet here. It really does tell you exactly what to do step by step. So let's get this thing started. The 2 pair of nitrile gloves, they give you those for a reason. Let's get them on your hands and protect yourself. This headlight here is going to be the perfect specimen to test this kit on. It is both heavily oxidized and has a bit of the original factory protective coating on there in patches. So both of those layers have to be removed. The oxidation and what's remaining of the original factory coat. Step 1, grab the oxidation removal pads, tear open a packet, pull one of the wipes out, and start to scrub the headlight in circular motions, removing the oxidation. It doesn't really matter how heavy it is, just keep tossing and flipping that little pad, folding it over. You're going to see it turns yellow. Use as many as you need. You get 4 wipes per headlight, use them up. Remove that oxidation, get that off of there. That saves you a lot of time when it comes to the next step. If by any chance this oxidation remover gets on the trim around the headlight, or if it drips down onto the paint, no need to worry. Just grab a dry microfiber, wipe it off immediately, you will be good to go. By the way, if you're on your fourth wipe and it's still turning yellow and your headlight is that oxidized, no worries. The next step will take care of that. And you do want to rinse the chemical. This is an exfoliation chemically of the oxidation. You want to rinse that thoroughly. Okay, on to the next step. You want to grab the palm surface prep pad and grab one of the red discs that's equal to 2,000 grit sandpaper. Attach that, and it's time to remove the original factory coating. Now, it does say to scrub in non-circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes. It may take longer than 3 minutes to remove that original factory coating. Some of those can be stubborn, so take your time and use all the time you need to remove that original coating. It's normally yellowed, it's patchy. You want to get that off of there completely before you go on to the next step. Had this headlight been attached to the car still, I would have my other hand free to keep squirting water down onto the headlight. That actually removes the residue from what we're sanding. It keeps the sandpaper disc clean, keeps it effective. As that clogs up, it really removes the effectiveness from it. That's what that first step, the exfoliation, does. It gets the oxidation off there, so your wet sanding is a lot more effective as that oxidation really clogs up the pads. And that will do it for that step. We have removed the original coating now as well. It looks hazy, but it now looks uniform. That's the important part. If you still see blotchiness, keep going with the sanding. Let's swap out discs from the red one to the gray one. This doesn't say it, but it's kind of equal to 4,000 grit, and this is like a step down. Very good. Okay, so that looks even clearer now. Still has a very slight haze, but that's exactly where we want to be. So we want to rinse any residue from the headlight and surrounding areas. And then we want to dry completely. That's very important. Shear off the original pair of nitriles, put on the second pair just in case during the sanding process you tore a hole in the tip. You do want to protect yourself from the coating itself. Moving right along, let's grab the two packets that indicate step number 3. Tear them open. You're going to grab the wipelet that's soaking in the coating, open it up, and with horizontal movements, start at the top of the headlight, make your way to the bottom. Make sure you have a nice, thick, even coat on the entire headlight. Only one coating is necessary, but just make sure it's nice and even and thick. By the way, if any of the clear coat here gets on the trim surrounding the headlight or even any painted surface on the car, just grab a dry microfiber and immediately wipe it off. Let the headlights cure for 60 minutes minimum before you let the customer go out into any type of moisture. And it is a self-leveling coating, and it also will be dry to the touch after that 60 minutes, no tackiness. Okay, good friends, that will bring us to the final thought segment of the video. The Cerakote Headlight Restoration Kit, ceramic coating included. It's the most comprehensive. It has everything to remove the oxidation chemically. Mechanically, it has all the tools to remove the old coating or what's left of it. That has to be done before protection, guys. That's important. And then the coating, 100% UVA, UVB, that will keep them from turning yellow again. On the bag, it says protects for life. Now, that is the only thing I really have left to test. Testing the kit on headlights around here and customers' cars that come in for that type of service. I will fill you in. I will keep you up to date on how the coating holds up. The kit itself is $24.99. I've seen kits that include the hardcore correction and protection products that this has inside the bag here for $29 to $44. So this is right, in par or even a little bit of a better buy than some of the other kits out there. So far I can highly recommend. If I have any other problems, I will let you know as usual. Brian from Apex Detail. Catch you in the next video.